As well. We should also mention that last night was a couple of terrific matches. Roger Federer over Andy Murray, that was in straight sets. But the women's side, Sharapova and Halep there, and I know you were into this match. Sharapova again digging, scrapping, clawing to win another tough three-setter, a rematch of their French Open final.
She gets down a set and a break, and you think, okay, Halep's ready to have a real breakthrough win here, and she's very, very close to it, but it's no surprise really that we see Maria just come back. She's one of the biggest fighters. Her tenacity on the court is second to none in the male or the female game. It's amazing how she fights her way back when she's struggling with parts of her game at times, and she does an amazing job of putting it all to one side and just focusing on getting the results. She does it time and time again.
11 double faults. She drops her serve the first 6 times. She's out of it, but you know what? She just competes. She finds a way. She raises up the volume in that scream and just digs in, and that's a heck of a win for her last night.
Another guy who competes match in and match out, done it throughout his entire career, is, of course, David Ferrer. Ferrer, a huge favorite today against Julien Benneteau, the Frenchman, another veteran. He's playing in his first semifinal.